Today's sensory activity is going to be muddy pigs, and for that we are going to do an edible safe activity using flour and chocolate. I always like to invite the child to prepare the activity with me because that is part of the learning. We're going to be using spoons, we're going to be pouring, we're going to be mixing, and then that is all fine motor activity learning that we want to involve them in. I'm doing this activity with the oldest, but I have done it since my child was 1, so I'm sure your child can do it too. If he can't do the spoon, he can do the pouring. You know how they love to pour things. And to make this fun recipe, we're going to do 1 part, like 1 cup of flour and half a cup to cocoa powder. And this is going to make edible dirt. To turn it into edible mud, we are going to add a little bit of water, and I love to give them time to play with each of the different textures before I add the water so that you increase the activity time that they spend with it. Allow them to explore with their hands, give them the pigs, talk about the pigs, show them how the pig can get muddy, and just really explore with them. When you're ready, add a little bit water at a time and use the spoon to mix it around so that it is not too watery or too dry. Explore with different quantities of water just to make it super muddy and have some fun. And then when you're ready, just move on to your bucket of water or to your water table with a little bit of soap and some sponges, and it's time to clean up our muddy pigs.